Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by verifying the Google account currently linked to your Zenless Zone Zero profile so you avoid disconnecting the wrong account. Once confirmed, make a quick backup of any locally stored progress or captures. This prevents accidental loss. Then open the game, tap your profile, and enter account settings. You must be logged in and have stable internet. Starting while offline can cause errors. Now locate the linked account section so you can start the unlink sequence immediately. You now perform the actual unlink. Tap Google in linked accounts and choose Unlink or Disconnect. The game may ask you to authenticate with your Google credentials to verify ownership. When prompted, read warnings closely because some bindings are irreversible or limit relinking windows. Confirm the action and wait for the server response. Do not force close the app during this step. Once the game reports success, check that Google no longer appears in the linked list and that your account remains playable. You finish by restarting the app and verifying the Google entry is gone from linked accounts. Make sure your game progress loads normally. If Unlink failed or you see errors, clear the app cache, switch networks, or re-authenticate your Google account, then retry unlinking. Intermittent tokens often cause failures. If problems persist, gather your account ID, exact timestamps, and screenshots, and contact customer support. This information speeds resolution and helps restore proper account bindings without losing.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.